Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful blue fairy earrings that are made only out of bicones and seed beads. I made the blue fairy bracelet and you will see it if you push this icon on the right top corner. And you asked me to make matching earrings, and I will show you really easy step by step how to make those earrings and make a beautiful set for yourself or for a present. And if you want to support me and make me do more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for these earrings what you're going to need are 24 4mm bicones and 2 6mm bicones and seed beads and ear wires of your choice. Here I'm using cliverbacks and size 10 beading needle, scissors. Here I'm using monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use your favorite beading thread if you want. And I'm using flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. But if you're using flat beading thread, you won't need these pliers for these earrings. And now I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'm going to start by taking 6 seed beads. Okay, and I have my 6 here. And I'm sliding them down and I'm going to make a knot, making a loop and then going once and second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Okay, then I will go through some beads here and I will take one bicone and one seed bead, sliding them down, then going through the bicone, skipping the seed bead and going through the next seed bead, just like that. Then I need one bicone, one seed bead, sliding them down. Okay, going through the bicone and skipping the seed bead and going through the next seed bead. Then I need one bicone, one seed bead, sliding down, going through the seed bead and through the following bicone. Okay, and I'm going to repeat this 3 more times. Okay, and now I have this. Now I'm going through the bicone and through the seed bead, just like that. And I need one seed bead, one bicone and one seed bead. And as I'm exiting from this seed bead, I'm going through the next one and pulling. Then again, one seed bead, one bicone, one seed bead, and going through the following seed bead. A seed bead, bicone, and seed bead, going through the seed bead, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, going here, and I will repeat this 2 more times. Okay, now I have this, and in my next step I'm exiting here after this seed bead and the bicone. Okay, and now I will take 3 seed beads, and I'm going skipping 1 seed bead and going through the following, and then through the seed bead and through the following bicone and to the seed bead after that. 3 seed beads, skipping just 1 and going through the following 3 beads. Three seed beads, skipping 1, going through the next 3. Three seed beads, skip 1, go through the next 3. 3 seed beads, skip 1, go through the next 3. And I need 3 more, and I'm finishing this row with that. Now what I want to do is exit here at this point, and I need 2 more seed beads, and I'm going back in circle through this one at the top. Then what I want to do is go through one of my 2 newly added beads and take 1 bicone. Then I'm sliding it down, and I want to take just 1 seed bead. I will slide it down, then skip it and go through the bicone and through the other seed bead, not the one that I've been through in this direction, but through the other one. Then through the seed bead in the center, and I will flip my work this way, and I will go through this seed bead here. And now guys, I need 5 more seed beads. Okay, I have my 5 here, and I'm going through this one in the center. Okay, then I'm going through this one here. Then through this one in the center, and through all of the beads in this direction. Then through the next 3. Okay, then I'm taking 1 seed bead, going through this ear wire here, sliding it down, and I need 1 more seed bead, and I'm going through this one here in the center in circle. So when I pull, I have this. And now what I want to do is reinforce this part here by going 3 times around it. Okay, and after I reinforce this part several more times, I'm going through some of my beads in this direction, making a loop, and going once and going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I will repeat this step several more times, and then I will cut my thread. And I cut my thread, and I will also cut my tail thread. And now my earring is ready. Okay guys, and after I repeated all the steps that I showed you here, I have a pair of earrings. So if you like what I showed you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.